Yeah.
Who's on the screen?
That's our DAG.
You're on the record.
That's
Thank
the
you.
DAG.
Who's on the screen?
That's the DAG.
That's Doug.
That's the DAG.
That's the DAG. Oh, okay, great. I thought it was a secret.
Those big alien eyes like that yesterday.
We're back on the record in independent cab, and as I understand, Mr. Carson, you have rested, you have no rebuttal case. Correct. Rest. And each of the interveners have rested. We have, Madam Secretary, can you give me the exhibit list? In addition to everything that's been put in the record, I'm just going to tell you what the exhibits are and see if there's any issues on what comprises the administrative record. After we do that, Mr. Awad has expressed the desire to orally argue whatever points he wants to orally argue. We told him 1 o'clock for oral argument because we thought we would have a rebuttal case going. So we're going to recess for the longest lunch hour we've given you, 2 hours, and come back at 1 o'clock. And I apologize for that, but I do not believe it fair to Mr. Awad that he doesn't hear an argument he's potentially rebutting. I don't know what his intent is. So that will be what we will do. But first, let's resolve the administrative record. The administrative record in this matter is comprised of the following exhibits: A, background report; B, financials 1 and 2; C, financials 2 and 2; D, projections and marketing data; E, NTA materials. As to each of those items, they were marked and they have been admitted confidentially. Exhibit 1 is notices and affidavits of publication. Those were not confidential and were admitted. Redacted CPCN application was marked as 2 and was not confidential and was admitted. Mr. Carson's PowerPoint or whatever, the slides that he used was marked as 3, was non-confidential and was admitted. Ms. Hoppner's testimony was marked as 4, as non-confidential and was admitted. Redacted witnesses and exhibits, volume 1 of 2 was marked as 5, was not confidential and was admitted. Redacted witnesses.
Chairman, can you say that one again?
Redacted witnesses and exhibits, volume 1 of 2 was exhibit 5, non-confidential and was admitted. Redacted witnesses and exhibits 2 of 2 was non-confidential, marked as 6 and was admitted. Exhibit 7 was the 2015 order from Mr. Awad's application, proffered by Mr. Carson. It was marked as non-confidential and admitted. And Exhibit 8 was the photographs that were produced yesterday by the interveners Henderson and Whittlesey. It was marked as 8. It was non-confidential and was admitted. Is there anything else that somebody believes was proffered, needs to be proffered, needs to be discussed?
No, I think our stuff is, that we offered is in volume 2. Okay, but it was just
Your redact volume, exhibit 5 and 6. I didn't mean to interrupt you, but
Oh, yeah,
I
you
think
heard
your
it.
question was, where's our stuff, where's the
Is-
intervener stuff?
Yeah.
And that's exhibit 5 and 6, the redacted witnesses and exhibits, volume 1 and 2. Thank you.
And then pursuant to the judicial notice, the taxi cab authority statistics.
There are many items that have been noticed.
Yeah.
They're not marked as exhibits. Nobody gave us a piece of paper.
Okay, that's fine. I just want to make sure
Yeah.
that includes, the record reflects that those were included.
Yes. Record. And that's a good point, Mr. Gibson. So any time we took official notice, those items are in the record as indicated on, in the transcript. Does anybody give you a moment, Mr. Gibson? Are you contemplating, evaluating,
I was just looking,
assessing?
at my witness and document disclosure, just to make sure, because I think it was in more than one place, but let me make sure.
There's a table of contents in the beginning too that tells each, it breaks down each tab that's in there.
Yeah. This is. All good.
Good?
All good.
Anybody, any other matters on the administrative record in this case? I'll accept the motion from members of the board to accept the administrative record.
So moved?
Second. Any discussion? All those in favor, signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Will be the administrative record on which oral argument will be taken at 1 o'clock. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.